I'm working still at night. I have by now 2 posts. So I'm gonna full that part 14 feet full of solar panel. So I have a mess right here. So that's what I'm doing. So let's do one more post that is going in here. Little by little I'm gonna finish. But tomorrow is another day. So I attach it here. So the solar is gonna go down. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's gonna be, the roof is gonna be solar panel. So tomorrow I'm gonna record something else and I show it to you. Thank you.